In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add team members, change their role, or transfer ownership in Stripe. This tutorial will guide you through the steps you need to efficiently manage your team on Stripe, all within just 5 minutes. So let's dive in. We'll begin by heading over to Stripe's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in stripe.com. Once the website loads, you'll notice a sign in button located at the top right corner. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Here you'll need to enter the email address and password associated with your Stripe account. After entering your credentials, click on the sign in button to access your Stripe dashboard. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the home page. You can easily do this by selecting home from the main navigation area. With the home page now in view, direct your attention to the settings option. Clicking on settings will bring you to the account settings section, which is crucial for adding or managing team members. In the settings area, look for account settings. Here is where you'll manage the key elements of your account, including team membership. Next, find and click on team and security. This section is specially tailored for team management and security purposes, making it your go-to spot for adjusting your team's composition and roles. With the team and security page open, you'll find an option labeled Add Member. Clicking this button will allow you to add a new team member to your Stripe account. Enter the new member's email address in the space provided. It's essential to use the correct email to ensure the invitation reaches the right person. After inputting the email address, you'll be prompted to select a role for the new member. Roles determine the level of access and permissions granted to the team member, so choose the one that best matches their responsibilities. This step is crucial because it ensures that everyone has the right level of access according to their role within the team. Finally, click Send Invite. This action will send an email invitation to the new member, inviting them to join your Stripe account. Once they accept, they'll gain access based on the role you've selected for them. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to add a team member in Stripe, assign them a role, and manage your team efficiently. With these steps, you can keep your Stripe account organized and secure by ensuring that each team member has appropriate access. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy team managing.